Hey y'all, how's it going? As you can see, we got a very hot griddle going. So let's start cooking. We got meat. Ha ha ha. It's Smashburger night. I've got a 1 1/3 pound of meat that I picked up from Costco. I don't know why they do 1 1/3 pound packages, but they do. I'm making a ball. I split it into 5 pieces. And they're not exact, because where's the fun in exactness, huh? So, boom, boom, boom. And you know what I forgot? I forgot my, no, Baja, that's not it. My parchment paper. That's interesting. Don't go away. Let me pause you a sec. Don't you hate it when that happens? I sure do. Okay, we're gonna need a little more room in between. So, let's get to squishing my burger or bacon press. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we still might need some space. Okay. Sometimes things don't go as you planned. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give you another little squish. You a squish. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Look at that. You can see they're already bubbling up through. That means they're ready to flip. And normally, I don't have a sticking problem, but today I do. Stuff happens. Okay. Salt, pepper, garlic, secret seasonings. And on mine, let's go with some onion powder, just to try something different. Not onion powder, chopped onion. And a little mesquite, just out of curiosity. So these are just about done. It's not overdone. Don't know what happened with the sticking. Let's turn this off. This side I have turned down to low. And for my lovely assistant, I'm using bacon butter on her buns. Squeezing some on and then spreading the butter around. But for me, since I'm trying all the funky seasonings, this works great on my griddled cheese sandwiches. Uh-oh. We'll just... Okay. Spread it around, spread it around. Okay. Her buns are probably, yes, they're done. Yeah, a little bit more. That's done. That's pretty much done. Okay. Where was I? I need another tray. And I just happen to have the handy cafeteria tray. Handy! Man, this stuff happens fast. Look at that. So, we've got her butter buns. And we'll throw her Smashburgers on her buns. Maybe. Okay, hers is ready. That needs cooking a little more. Ah, my buns! It's stuck. I don't know why it's stuck. Don't you hate it when things just don't go according to your script? As if I had anything scripted. Yeah, this needs a little bit more. It's perfectly toasty. I just don't understand. Normally, well, maybe it's the buns and the ranch don't get along. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. But on a grilled cheese, trust me, ranch is awesome. Okay, we'll just call that done. And we'll have a single, and a double-decker. Look at all that yummy stuff on the griddle. I like the crusty stuff off the griddle. That's where all the flavor is. That's right, Baja. Baja likes it too. Okay. Yummy. Let's change your lens here. Nope, that's not changing it. Now we changed it. Look at that. Yum. And the gratuitous shot of the valley. And that's all we got today. Messy, but yummy Smashburgers. Thanks for watching, y'all, and have a great day. Bye!